It was a brave feeding. That is the male bird. We're gonna wait for the female bird to come. Okay, the other one has. Okay, the other one has also come. Where is it? Oh, that is the female bird. That is the female bird. Yeah. Sanu, has it gone?
Yeah.
The both of them has gone.
Mother has come now.
Mother has come and fed the babies, yeah?
Yeah.
Dad also came and fed the babies, yeah?
Huh?
Dad also came and fed the babies.
No.
No? No, Dad also came. No. Their nest is in here. See the babies. See the babies inside the nest. Ah, beautiful babies. These are called honey birds. We called it, I don't know what the exact English name for it. They build their nest in the perfect secured place. No any predator can come here. See, it's hanging on our wall. The bird, both lady bird and the male bird, first goes to that tree over there, and from there it comes here to this tree, and from this tree they go and feed these beautiful babies. They have built their nest to be able to get all the cover from the rain and